How to use Google Maps offline. No Wi Fi, no data. You can still use Google Maps offline, and here's how. So, step one, search for the city or area you want to save, and then tap the location name, and then go ahead and choose the download button. Just the box to cover the region you need. And then access offline maps anytime. Tap your profile pictures and offline maps to see what you save. Use offline navigation. You can search places and get driving directions, but traffic and transit updates need internet. Update maps regularly. Offline maps expire after about 30 days. So, Google Maps offline is perfect for travel and low signal areas. And that is how to use Google Maps offline.